Wrestling for 7th place, Anya 8 at 125 pounds. Morgan Frank Stronghorn from Charleston and Karina Lojowski from Stevenson.
Press off boys, 106-pound place winners. In 8th place, Matthew Laird, Joliet Catholic Academy. 7th place, Andre Rice of Proviso West. 6th place, the Clan Sons of St. Charles North. 5th place, Jackson Marlette of Burlington Central. 4th place, Austin Phelps of Schaumburg. 3rd place, Manu Sweetie of Montini. 2nd place, Evan Michels of Stevenson. And your champion at 106 pounds, Jackson Olson of Honolulu.
Here are the results for the girls 100-pound placements. In 8th place from Mount Vernon, Lily Davis. In 7th place from Bismarck Henning, Gracie Addison. In 6th place from Camden, Shayla Shireen. In 5th place from Illinois Central, Emily Payton. In 4th place from Dunlap, Eric Adams. In 3rd place from Sandwich, Nora Quick. In 2nd place from Cary, Giselle Arambula. And your champion from Duncan Crown, Diamond Rodriguez. Wrestling on mat 40 for the championship, Landon Manham from London Gossamer and Diana Torres from Candy. Wrestling on mat 4 for 3rd place, we have Alexander Tom from Edwardsville and Tanaya Sherman from Kentucky. And on mat 6, we have Chris Millett from Naperville Central and then Lonnie Molina from Westerville.
We need Ramsey Cochran to the order. Ramsey Cochran to the order. On deck mat 2, 132, Randy Williams from Foster, Carter Stoff, Morris, Williams, and Stoff. You're on deck. First place match. Sandberg. Seventh place.